Hello. It's not light, that's for sure. Change this in here. This just wasn't right, so putting the angle iron under the floor at the edge, not sticking out, just closing up the area for no reason. Also, I wanted it closer to the frame, so we're putting it closer to the frame so we can weld it directly. Okay, we're checking on the progress. I think they're finally working on the... not yet. Maybe. Ini pintu atau frame?
Frame. Pintu.
Okay. See both of our welders in use. I think there's another third one being used in the back.
Hello guys.
Hello. See that specialized cutter? I wonder if that's gonna be a problem with the bus moving. So they got a plate there, a plate here. Yeah, plate here. So we need to... Lihat apa? Cari apa? Wortel?
Itu mata ya?
Wortel.
No, itu mata.
Oh, kamu mau membakar matamu ya? Ini. Yeah. These guys keep burning their eyes because they're lazy to wear the eye protection. Anyway, this is 1.5 millimeter. Close my eyes. We got light blinding if I'm not careful and close one eye. 1.5 millimeter thick plate, steel plate, which is actually strong. Now they took out the cross member, same like that one, so I think I've got to put it back. I'm not sure what their plan is. They're going to put a door here as well. Progress. And in between here is another bigger cabinet, bigger box, toolbox. And my favorite chicken is roosting up here, so cooking.
Sige. Minta kapur.
Huh?
Minta kapur. Kapur.
Kapur?
Tar what?
Huh?
Tar what?
No idea.
Kapur.
Kapur?
Tar. Kapur aja ya.
Oh,
Kapur. Yes.
Putih?
Yes. Di kapur.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay, I'll let you guys go. I'll go get them a metal pen. It's actually like a chalky thing. Alright, bye. Okay, I found it. Ini ya.
Okay, thank you.
You're making this nice follow around. Not sure exactly what they're doing here. I think they're still working on the frame. Actually, I think this is where the hinge will go. Ini untuk angsa teman di sini. Okay.
Yeah. Good. Ya, axel.
Ya, lebih baik angsa lebih di dalam ya.
What? Tak bisa.
Bisa.
Kita coba tes malam.
Hah?
Kita coba semalam patah.
I don't know what you're saying.
Semalam udah saya ke dalam.
Ya,
Tapi tak bisa.
kamu bisa. Saya bisa. Jika saya bisa, kamu bisa juga. Ini angsa lebih dalam, potong ini sedikit. Ya, angsa bisa di belakang. Atau potong sedikit ini, angsa ini, ya, bisa. Karena jika di sini angsa luar banyak, ya 1 senti, tidak cantik. Lebih baik flush. Ya, tapi jangan kamu cepat-cepat potong-potong gila-gila ya. Mau cantik, dia bisa lebih baik cantik ya. Karena kamu suka cepat. Kamu mau membunuh itu, jangan. Ya. Ya. Coba pelan-pelan ya, pelan-pelan. Coba masuk angsa di dalam. Tapi harus buka semua ya.
Kemudian
Ke sini, karena ini di sini ya. Ke sini. Okay, thank you. Ini depan lampu ya. Ya, enggak bisa depan lampu.
tak bisa.
Enggak.
Nanti dipotong ini.
Kamu
Terus ini nanti kasih plus strap. Baru nanti lampu dibuka. Lihat.
ya.
Oke. Dari kepala aku semua. Nah, bisa aku dah. Ya.
No, they're making progress.
Oh, belum.
Making something else too, not sure what. Custom build here. Should be super awesome. But we have to clean this really well and put the anti-rust paint on here. Alright. Catch you back later. Okay, removing the AC here. It's gonna go to the 3rd floor of our Ruco. We need one in the back, and they're gonna seal up all the big vents. There's big vents like this, but much bigger in our Ruco, so all the AC is going out. So this is a 2 horsepower dual pick unit. Got 4 guys working here with nice uniforms. Look at those uniforms, very nice. It's not light, that's for sure. especially precarious from the ladders. Alright. Well, we'll be going to our refill and putting it there. So we'll see how it goes. We got the hinges installed on this first door. We're cleaning up the welds. And I've got to cut the skin to match. And one of our workers is sick. He's had some gut problems. Had to change this in here. This just wasn't right, so putting the angle iron under the floor at the edge, not sticking out, just closing up the area for no reason. Also, I wanted it closer to the frame, so we're putting it closer to the frame so we can weld it directly to the frame instead of having it just hanging off the floor metal, which isn't good. So, anyway, unfortunately they just cut the box out very haphazardly, so it's not a good job, but we'll have to make do and fix it again because I don't want to waste that metal. And sometimes people just go the easy route and think they can just throw things away. Meanwhile, we don't want to do that. Hello, kamu mau apa? Kunci untuk apa?
Buka pintu.
Okay.
Kunci rumah sebelah.
Yeah. Thank you. It's a key to our other house. Okay, I don't think there's too much more update yet. I wanted to get the rack done today and a bunch of other things done today, but sometimes things go a little slow, and especially when you have to redo things. So, alright, catch you later.